Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this series, we'll explore the dynamic landscape of the automotive parts market, delving into the factors driving its unprecedented growth and the emerging trends shaping its future. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a market analyst, this series promises valuable insights into the thriving automotive parts sector. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's delve into the intricacies of this booming market together. The automotive parts market is experiencing significant growth, with trends pointing towards continued expansion. Factors such as increased vehicle ownership, advancements in technology, and a rise in demand for customization options are driving this upward trajectory. This growth signifies promising opportunities for businesses and consumers alike in the automotive industry. As the market evolves, understanding these trends and the driving forces behind them becomes crucial for industry players. Keeping pace with the dynamic landscape of automotive parts is essential for staying competitive and meeting the changing needs of customers. By exploring the nuances of this expanding market, businesses can position themselves strategically to capitalize on emerging opportunities and navigate challenges effectively. By recognizing the significance of this market's evolution, businesses can adapt their strategies to align with the prevailing trends and foster success in an ever-changing industry landscape. Global automotive parts market expansion. In today's fast-paced automotive industry, the global automotive parts market continues to witness significant growth propelled by various market drivers. Technological advancements play a pivotal role in revolutionizing the features and performance of automotive parts, thus meeting the evolving demands of consumers looking for advanced safety and efficiency in vehicles. The increasing vehicle production globally is another key driver, as the growing number of vehicles on the roads increases the demand for replacement parts, maintenance, and upgrades. Furthermore, the rising popularity and demand for electric vehicles, EVs, have been a game-changer, creating a surge in the need for specialized automotive parts tailored to electric propulsion systems. Market drivers. 1. Technological advancements. Innovative technologies like advanced materials, smart sensors, and connectivity solutions are reshaping the automotive parts landscape, driving the market forward. 2. Increasing vehicle production. With the automotive industry witnessing a boom in vehicle production, the demand for quality automotive parts is on the rise to support this growth. 3. Demand for electric vehicles. The shift towards sustainable transportation has led to a surge in the demand for electric vehicles, spurring the need for specific automotive parts catering to EV systems. Market segmentation. The automotive parts market is segmented into various categories to cater to the diverse needs of the industry. These segments include product type. Segmentation based on the types of automotive parts such as engine parts, transmission components, electrical systems, braking systems, and more. Vehicle type. Different categories of vehicles like passenger cars, commercial vehicles, electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, and others, each requiring distinct types of automotive parts. Distribution channel. Segmentation based on distribution channels like OEM, original equipment manufacturer, suppliers, aftermarket suppliers, online retail platforms, and brick-and-mortar stores. Region. The global automotive parts market is segmented based on regions such as North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, Latin America, and Middle East and Africa, each region showcasing unique market dynamics and demands. This segmentation strategy allows manufacturers, suppliers, and retailers to tailor their products and services to specific market segments, ensuring a seamless and efficient supply chain in the automotive parts industry. As the automotive parts market continues to expand globally, understanding these key drivers and market segments is essential for businesses to thrive in this competitive industry landscape. Technological advancements in automotive parts. In today's automotive industry, technological advancements are steering the market toward innovation and growth. Let's delve into how these advancements are shaping the landscape of automotive parts, driving toward a more connected, efficient, and sustainable future. Impact of electric vehicles. With the global shift towards sustainability, electric vehicles, EVs, have taken center stage, transforming the way we view traditional automotive components. The surge in electric vehicles has sparked a soaring demand for specialized automotive parts, notably batteries and charging systems. These components are not only evolving to be more efficient and cost-effective but also paving the way for a greener automotive landscape. The resilience of the automotive parts market lies in its ability to adapt and cater to the specific needs of electric vehicles, aligning with the quest for a more sustainable future. As we conclude the first part of our series on the automotive parts market, we hope you've gained valuable insights into its growth drivers and emerging trends. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll delve deeper into specific trends and their implications for the industry. Until then, stay curious and take care. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.